Welcome back, YouTubers and supporters, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy weekly cars and tech content. I have been a bit busy lately. I apologize for not posting a video in the past 4 weeks. My Porsche does have a couple issues, I'll admit that, but what do you expect when you buy that car for $10,000? It doesn't matter, I'm getting it fixed, and it'll be running like new with some performance mods by the week of October 22nd, 2019. Now let's get back to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to install a really cool Audi theme on your Samsung Gear watch. So now, let's go to the App Store and download these specific applications. So I am on my Samsung S10e. I've also had this done on my Samsung S9 and S8 as well. And make sure you have Play Store updated, Galaxy Store updated, and then on the Play Store and Galaxy Store, you're going to download the Facer app and the Galaxy Wearable app. So I already have them installed, but I will uninstall them for you guys so I can show you step by step the whole process. And onto the Google Play Store. You can tell my theme disappeared as well. So now, I'll provide links in the description as well to get these things. And I'm on my Samsung Galaxy Watch application right here. Make sure you have this. And now back to the Google Store. We're going to download Facer Watch Faces. Let it load, let it load. And then on the Galaxy Store, you're going to click install on this application, Facer Companion for Samsung Watches. Allow and download. Once it's finished downloading, click apply. And then you see the watch has a little Facer app loading. And then from there, we are going to go back to the Google Store. We're going to click open on the application. And we're going to pick our watch. This is the Samsung Gear S3, I believe. Yeah, it has to be the S3, I'm pretty sure. And then from here, we're going to sign into our account. Sign in. And then we're going to search up the theme we want. My theme was Audi theme, so we're going to type in Audi. Click OK. This is the one I had. Then you click let's do it. Allow. Then you click the little send to watch right there. It's going to take a second for the watch to receive the information. Now it says syncing. And there you guys have it. The theme is back on the phone. Notifications. And there you guys have it. It's all set. I hope this video helped you out. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more crazy videos later on. And look at that. They're both in sync. Peace out, everybody. Play Store updated. Galaxy updated.